The team. Every new startup has to have a team. It's almost traditional, carved in stone somewhere. Got to have your business plan, got to have your team, you've got to have your minimum viable product. And that's not this project. Right now, there's just me, the visionary, and a potential team of highly sophisticated, talented superheroes that I've identified whom we might assemble to create the right team. Because you have to think very carefully about this project. It is not a little .com. It's not an absolute minimum product. It is a highly sophisticated piece of handcrafted, precision engineered, luxury, high performance supercar. It's the Batmobile for real. And that's going to require a really sophisticated team of people. I've identified such people over the last few years. I've got my, as it were, my target list of superheroes that I can assemble for my team, but we're not yet at that stage. My priority is to focus on raising the initial seed funding. The seed funding that allows me to bring those people together and let them loose on this problem. So when it comes to the team, there's just me, the visionary, with the big picture of how this project is going to work and a number of people that can be brought in. I'd also like you to understand something more about the very nature of this project and how the idea of a team right at the beginning doesn't necessarily work. As I've said, this is a highly sophisticated project. We have to have separate teams for each of the key stages. We have to have a team for the initial recruitment process, the initial publicity, recruiting our fan club and supporters from all over the world. That could be supercar enthusiasts, Batman enthusiasts, and our micro investors who contribute to the main development fund pot. Then there's our team of superheroes, the highly sophisticated engineers and designers to do the design, development and production work. And even there you've got a design team, and then you've got a development and delivery team. Then of course we have to have our sales, marketing and promotion team, completely separate unit. Then our post-sales, one about looking after our customers long term, our owners club and all the support team and the support network for them. And behind all that, the finance team, the management of the financing. That's the seed money, the development money and the final customer funding, and how we can help everyone benefit in every possible way. So you can see it's not a team, it's actually several specialist teams. But in one sense, it begins with you. It's up to you to decide whether or not you want to come and join our team and help the rest of the team assemble. So come and join the superheroes. We're here. I'll answer your questions as and when you have them, and I hope I can reassure you that this is going to be a great team to participate in. See you soon.